Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our SIM card's name in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To change name of our SIM card, we need to go to Settings, then Connections, and here we have our SIM Manager. When we go in here, when we tap and hold our SIM card, we have our name, so we can change it. For example, by default it's SIM1 in slot 1, of course, but let's change it for work. For example, if we have two numbers, one to work, one private, we can change it here so we can see it more easily. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.